What if I told you that an invisible force surrounds you at all times? An energy field that reveals your emotions, your thoughts, even your deepest secrets. The ancient mystics knew of its existence, the sages of old whispered about its power, and modern science is only beginning to catch up to what esoteric traditions have understood for millennia. This force is known as the human aura, a luminous shifting field of energy that extends beyond the physical body, pulsating with the vibrational signature of your very being. Some have called it the soul's fingerprint, others the mirror of the mind. But regardless of the name, one thing remains true. Your aura is not just an abstract concept. It is a living, dynamic force that shapes your reality in ways far beyond what most people imagine. Consider this. Have you ever walked into a room and instantly sensed the mood, even before anyone spoke a word? Have you ever felt an inexplicable attraction or repulsion towards someone you've just met? That's not coincidence. It's the silent language of the aura. But what if you could not only perceive this energy but also control it? What if you could strengthen your aura, shield yourself from negativity, and amplify your spiritual presence? Throughout history, enlightened beings have harnessed this power to heal, to manifest, and to ascend to higher states of consciousness. In this video, we will explore the hidden truths of the human aura, its origins, its mysteries, and most importantly, how you can tap into its immense potential. We'll uncover ancient wisdom, delve into the science behind it, and reveal practical techniques to enhance and protect your energy field. The knowledge you're about to receive has been passed down through secret teachings and sacred traditions. Now it is yours to rediscover. Are you ready to unveil the unseen? The concept of the aura is not a modern invention. It is an ancient truth, whispered in sacred temples, recorded in esoteric manuscripts, and painted into mystical artworks across civilizations. From the luminous halos in Byzantine icons to the pranic energy fields described in Eastern philosophy, the idea of a radiant force surrounding the human body has transcended time, geography, and culture. In Hinduism, the aura is closely linked to the chakras, spinning wheels of energy that govern different aspects of our being. The Upanishads, ancient Indian scriptures dating back thousands of years, speak of the pranamaya kosha, the energy sheath that encases the physical body. This subtle field, composed of prana or life force, is said to extend outward, forming a protective and communicative barrier between the individual and the cosmos. In Buddhism, the concept of subtle bodies explains how enlightened beings radiate an ethereal glow. The Buddha himself is often depicted with a golden aureole encircling his form, a visual representation of his boundless spiritual energy. Monks practicing deep meditation have reported seeing such radiant fields around themselves and others, a phenomenon now known as Kirlian photography in modern science. In Western mysticism, the aura finds its roots in Hermetic, Gnostic, and Theosophical traditions. The Corpus Hermeticum, a collection of ancient Egyptian Greek wisdom, speaks of a luminous body that can be purified through spiritual alchemy. Medieval alchemists believed that by refining their own energy field, they could transmute not only base metals into gold, but also lower states of consciousness into divine illumination. Even early Christianity acknowledged the existence of a radiant energy field. Saints and divine figures were often painted with halos, signifying an aura of spiritual power. The book of Exodus describes how Moses, after communing with the divine, returned with a face that shone so brightly that people could not look directly at him. Was this merely metaphorical, or evidence of an awakened energy field? In modern times, scientists such as Nikola Tesla and Wilhelm Reich explored the idea of an unseen energy surrounding all living beings. Tesla, the great visionary of electromagnetism, once claimed, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." Could it be that the aura is simply another manifestation of these universal forces? Throughout history, sages and scholars alike have sought to understand the aura, not as a mystical fantasy, but as a profound and practical aspect of human existence. But what exactly is the aura made of? How does it function? And most importantly, how can we harness its power? In the next section, we will break down the core mechanics of the aura, revealing the deeper truths hidden beneath layers of ancient wisdom and modern discovery. Imagine walking into a room filled with people. Before a single word is spoken, you already have a feeling, an instinctual sense of the energy within the space. Perhaps the air feels warm and inviting or tense and heavy, as if an argument had just taken place. This is not mere intuition. You are sensing the invisible energy fields, the auras of those around you. But what exactly is the aura? At its core, the aura is an electromagnetic energy field that radiates from and surrounds every living being. It is an extension of your biofield, influenced by your thoughts, emotions, and overall vibrational frequency. Just as the Earth has its own magnetosphere, protecting it from external cosmic forces, your aura serves as a spiritual shield, filtering energies that interact with your body and mind. The layers of the aura, a multidimensional field. According to ancient and modern esoteric teachings, the human aura is composed of multiple layers, each corresponding to different aspects of our being. These layers are not separate entities but interwoven fields, creating a dynamic and ever-shifting energy system. The etheric layer, closest to the physical body, this layer mirrors our biological health. It pulses with vitality and is often seen as a faint glow in healing practices like Reiki. The emotional layer. This field reflects our moods, fears, and joys. It shifts in color and intensity depending on our emotional state. Negative emotions can create tears in this layer, leaving us vulnerable to external influences. The mental layer, linked to our thoughts, beliefs, and mental clarity. A strong and focused mind produces a radiant and well-defined mental aura, while a chaotic mind manifests as distortion or dullness. The astral layer, the bridge between the personal and the universal, where deep spiritual experiences and connections occur. This is the layer that interacts with the auras of others. The etheric template layer, a blueprint of the physical body in its highest form, often associated with past life memories and karmic patterns. The celestial layer, the realm of intuition, divine inspiration, and higher consciousness. When activated, this layer emits an almost luminescent glow, signifying spiritual awakening. The causal layer, Etheric template, the outermost field, connecting us to the vast intelligence of the universe. It is the seat of the higher self, resonating with pure cosmic energy. These layers constantly interact, shaping our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. When balanced, the aura becomes a shield of light, repelling negative energies and attracting higher vibrations. The colors of the aura, a vibrational signature. Just as light splits into a spectrum of colors, the aura manifests in different hues, each revealing insights into one's state of being. Mystics, clairvoyants, and energy healers often perceive these colors as a living tapestry, shifting in response to one's inner world. Gold and white, enlightenment, divine connection, spiritual mastery. Violet and indigo, higher intuition, psychic abilities, deep wisdom. Blue and turquoise, communication, truth, and emotional balance. Green and emerald, healing, love, and growth. A balanced heart center. Yellow and gold, mental clarity, confidence, and personal power. Orange and red, vitality, passion, and grounded energy. When our aura is vibrant and radiant, we feel energized, clear-headed, and spiritually connected. However, an aura can also become weakened or tainted, leading to fatigue, confusion, and emotional instability. But what causes these imbalances, and how can we restore and strengthen our auric field? In the next section, we will dive deeper into the mechanics of energy flow, exploring the forces that shape and manipulate the aura, including unseen influences that may be draining your energy without you realizing it. The human aura is not static. It is in constant motion, expanding, contracting, and shifting in response to internal and external influences. Just as the ocean is shaped by tides and currents, your aura is affected by thoughts, emotions, environments, and unseen energetic forces. How thoughts and emotions shape the aura. Ancient mystics and modern energy healers alike have long understood the power of thought in shaping our energetic field. Every thought carries a vibrational signature, influencing the structure and luminosity of the aura. Positive thoughts and emotions, love, gratitude, joy, generate a strong, radiant aura, expanding its field and making it more resilient to outside negativity. Negative thoughts and emotions, fear, anger, resentment, create distortions and blockages, weakening the aura and making one susceptible to energy drains. This is why individuals who dwell in chronic negativity or stress often appear drained or gray to those who are sensitive to energy. Their auric field contracts, forming gaps or rips, allowing external influences to seep in. A fascinating phenomenon occurs when we experience intense emotions. Our aura flares up in response. Have you ever been around someone who was angry and you could almost feel their rage before they even spoke? This is their auric field expanding aggressively, creating an energetic charge that others unconsciously pick up on. Likewise, when someone radiates deep peace and love, their aura exudes a harmonizing effect, creating a calming presence that others instinctively gravitate toward. This is the essence of good vibes, a harmonious and well-tuned auric frequency. The hidden influences that drain or distort the aura. Beyond our own thoughts and emotions, several external forces can impact the strength and integrity of the aura. Energy vampires. These are individuals, often unconsciously, who draw energy from others due to their own internal depletion. Being around them may leave you feeling exhausted, irritable, or emotionally drained. Negative environments. Certain places, particularly those filled with conflict, sadness, or lower vibrational energies, can imprint themselves onto your aura. Hospitals, crowded public spaces, or even rooms where arguments frequently occur can leave behind energetic residue that lingers in your field. Electromagnetic fields, EMFs. While modern technology has connected us in unprecedented ways, constant exposure to EMFs, from phones, Wi-Fi, and electronics, may cause subtle disruptions in the auric field, leading to fatigue or scattered energy. Unresolved trauma and karmic imprints. Past experiences, especially deeply emotional ones, can leave energetic scars within the aura. These unresolved energies manifest as blocks or repetitive emotional patterns, influencing one's present reality. Spiritual attachments and energetic parasites. In esoteric traditions, it is believed that certain non-physical entities feed on low vibrational energy, subtly attaching themselves to weakened auric fields. Symptoms may include persistent fatigue, intrusive negative thoughts, or an unexplained feeling of being watched or drained. These influences explain why auric hygiene is just as essential as physical hygiene. Just as we wash our bodies daily, we must also cleanse and strengthen our energy field to maintain balance and clarity. But how do we do this? In the next section, we will explore practical techniques for cleansing, protecting, and fortifying your aura, ensuring that your energetic field remains strong, radiant, and impervious to unwanted influences. Understanding the power of the human aura is only the beginning. To truly harness this energy, we must learn to cleanse, fortify, and protect our auric field. Just as we nourish the body with food and maintain physical hygiene, our energy field requires regular maintenance. 1. Aura cleansing, removing energetic debris. Over time, the aura accumulates energetic residue from people, places, and emotions. This buildup can lead to fatigue, brain fog, or a sense of being stuck. Regular cleansing keeps your energy field pure, vibrant, and resilient. Salt baths. Water is a powerful conductor of energy, and salt has been used for centuries for purification. Bathing in sea salt or Himalayan salt draws out stagnant energy and clears auric blockages. If a full bath isn't possible, a simple salt scrub or foot soak can also be effective. Smudging with sacred herbs, burning sage, palo santo, or frankincense releases purifying smoke that clears dense energy. As you pass the smoke around your body, visualize dark or stagnant energy dissolving into the air. Sound vibration. Sound carries sacred frequencies that can recalibrate the aura. Chanting mantras, using a singing bowl, or even listening to high-frequency music, such as 432 Hz or 528 Hz, can dissolve energetic blockages. Visualization and breath work. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and imagine a waterfall of light cascading over you, washing away any negative energy. Some people find it helpful to visualize golden light engulfing their entire field, burning away impurities. 2. Strengthening the aura, expanding your energy field. A strong aura acts as an energetic shield, preventing negativity from infiltrating your field. By consciously expanding and fortifying your energy, you create a powerful presence that others can feel. Grounding techniques. Walking barefoot on earth, grass, or sand helps reconnect your energy to the planet, stabilizing your auric field. This practice, known as earthing, allows excess or unbalanced energy to discharge into the ground. Energy work and qi cultivation. Practices such as qigong, tai chi, or reiki focus on building and circulating life force energy, qi or prana, strengthening the body's natural energetic defenses. Sunlight absorption. The sun emits high vibrational energy that nourishes the aura. Spending time in natural sunlight, especially during sunrise or sunset, recharges and strengthens your energy field. Affirmations and intentions. The mind is a powerful architect of energy. By affirming "my energy is strong, radiant, and protected" daily, you consciously shape your auric frequency. 3. Protecting the aura, shielding against unwanted influences. A well-maintained aura naturally repels negative energy, but certain situations, such as being around toxic people or visiting energetically dense locations, require extra shielding. White light shielding. One of the most powerful techniques is visualizing a sphere of white or golden light surrounding your entire body. Imagine it as an impenetrable force field, repelling any negative influences. Crystals for protection. Certain stones act as energy amplifiers and shields. Carrying or wearing black tourmaline, amethyst, or obsidian helps deflect negativity and strengthen your aura. Cord-cutting rituals. Unhealthy energetic ties to people or situations can drain your aura. Imagine energetic cords connecting you to toxic influences and visualize a blade of light severing them, freeing your energy. Conscious boundaries. Beyond spiritual techniques, setting clear emotional and mental boundaries is one of the strongest forms of energetic protection. Learn to say no, avoid gossip, and remove yourself from toxic environments whenever possible. Throughout this journey, we have unveiled the hidden power of the human aura, an invisible yet profoundly influential force that shapes our reality, influences our well-being, and connects us to the unseen currents of the universe. The ancients knew that energy precedes matter, that our thoughts, emotions, and intentions are not just fleeting sensations but active forces that radiate into the world. The strength and purity of your aura determine the quality of your experiences, the people you attract, and the opportunities that unfold before you. A call to awareness. Take a moment to reflect. What energy am I emitting into the world? Am I consciously cultivating and protecting my aura, or allowing it to be shaped by external forces? How different would my life be if I actively mastered my energetic presence? The key to transformation is not found in distant realms or ancient temples. It is already within you. Every breath, every thought, and every intention has the power to expand or diminish your energy field. The path forward. Now that you are aware of the hidden forces that shape reality, you hold a responsibility to cultivate your energy, to radiate with purpose, and to align yourself with the highest frequencies of existence. Your aura is not just an extension of you, it is you in energetic form. Guard it, strengthen it, let it shine. If this knowledge has resonated with you, let us know in the comments. How do you personally cleanse and strengthen your aura? And if you feel called to continue exploring the mysteries of energy, consciousness, and spiritual mastery, subscribe and join us on this journey of awakening. Until next time, remember, your energy is your power. Wield it wisely.